Hello and welcome back. Today we are giving an update on the GoPro drone issue that's happening where it's not pairing to the controller out of nowhere, and GoPro not saying anything about this, not helping any customers, and in fact just trying to hide that this is even happening. If you didn't see my last video, I posted about this issue and asked people to begin signing a form that basically just says this is happening to you, so that we can gather a list of all of the GoPro drone customers that this issue is happening to. As of today, a couple weeks later, we have 148 signatures, and I believe I have a plan for how we can attack this. So here it is. If you don't know about the issue that's happening, basically out of nowhere, a whole bunch of people started realizing that their GoPro drone would not connect with the controller. It just won't pair. It'll try and try and try to pair, but it never will. And you'll get these blinking lights on the drone, you'll get the attempting to pair screen on the controller, and the stabilizer will completely stop functioning. Now, this is happening to a whole bunch of people, and you can find videos, blog articles, and posts about this problem all across the internet. I had actually gone on to GoPro.com to their forum and asked people to start signing this list, and within about an hour of doing that, GoPro terminated my account, kicked me off the GoPro website for good. And that kind of bothered me, that frustrated me, that they weren't, instead of reaching out to me and saying, hey, here's what's going on, let's see if we can work with you, they actually just terminated my account and basically tried to shut me up. So now I'm still trying to get people to sign this list. As of today, we have 148 signatures of people saying that this problem is happening to them, and I know for a fact it is way, way bigger than that. So here's what we're going to do. We have 148. I'd like to strengthen our case for when we actually approach GoPro with this problem. I'd like to get that signature count to 500. Once we get to 500 signatures, I'll feel confident reaching out to GoPro and explaining to them what the issue is, and explaining to them that we have a solid case here, that this is not just a fringe issue, but this is actually pretty prevalent throughout the community of customers who own this product. So the goal right now is to get this signature count to 500. So if this problem is happening to you, if your GoPro drone is out of nowhere through no fault of your own, not pairing with the controller, please sign your name on this list, and you know, that +1 will get us that much closer to 500. If you've already signed that list, if this is just a video update for you because you're already following this whole plan of action, then what we really need to do right now is get the word out. So if you know people that own this product, please send them a link to this list or send them a link to this video. But one way or another, let's get more and more people who this is happening to involved with this, so that we can go forward as a group, and whatever action I take, I can do on behalf of the entire GoPro Karma owners community. So the goal now is to get to 500 signatures. If you have already signed your name on the list, if you've already been added, please just share the URL to that list, to that form. Please share the URL to this video. One way or another, anyone that this issue is happening to, we'd like to get involved so that we can grow these numbers and approach GoPro with a really significant case and a really significant argument. So that's all I have for you today. If your email is on the list of registered people, then you'll be getting periodic updates about this, and I hope that from this 148 mark we can pretty quickly jump and get to that 500 mark. But I am going to need your guys' help to get the word out, and whether that's through posting it or sharing it or just telling whoever you know that owns a GoPro drone, let's get as many names on this form as possible so that we really have a strong argument when we actually approach GoPro. Now, if GoPro doesn't do anything, even when we approach them with 500 signatures, we can all kind of discuss as a group what the next step should be and approach that when it gets there. But I still have some hope that GoPro is going to do the right thing here, and even if it takes us, you know, kind of taking a stab at them and showing them 500 names, I'm still hoping that they're going to do the right thing. So sign your name on the list, share the URL to that list, and hopefully we can get these paperweights back in the air. That's it. Take care. I think that pretty much covers it. I think that pretty much does it.